secret to Brazilian style football is their ability to control the ball with the sole of their foot. So let's get back to basics with ball mastery progressions. We start with toe taps. Start by tapping the ball with the sole of your foot. It's all about getting familiar. Progression. We add a hop and then a tap. Always keep the ball in front of you. Next level. You can move forwards and backwards. Again, key is keeping the ball in front of you. Let's progress to the next level, keeping the chin up. Get a partner to throw a tennis ball for you to catch, then throw it back. This is a great aid to keep your focus away from your feet. Okay, let's have some fun with Brazilian toe taps. It's samba time. This time, you are moving side to side. Rhythm is right foot, left foot, behind foot toe tap. You can also use the toe taps in your anaerobic workout. Try a 30% speed for 10 seconds, 60% speed for 10 seconds, 90% speed for 10 seconds.
3, 2, 1.